Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about another example of block diagram reduction. This is the previous examination question in the year October 2020. So coming to the problem, previous examination question. Determine d of s by r of s for the system below using both block diagram algebra. Determine d of s by r of s for the system below using both block diagram algebra. So this is the given block diagram. So this block diagram consists of there are two inputs. One input is r of s and another input is d of s and output is c of s. So given that calculate d of s by r of s, d of s by r of s. So first calculate c of s by r of s value. So to determine c of s by r of s value, consider d of s is equal to 0 and after that calculate c of s by d of s value. So in this case consider another input r of s is equal to 0. First determine c of s by r of s. To determine c of s by r of s. So to determine c of s by r of s and another input, that is d of s is equal to 0. So d of s is equal to 0 means removing this summing point, neglecting this summing point, removing this summing point. So removing this summing point, draw the equivalent diagram. The equivalent diagram. Block G1 of S, G1 of S. Now here in this case to determine C of S by R of S value, D of S is equal to 0 and removing that summing point, and another block is second block is G2 of S, G2 of S, and input to the summing point is R of S, and output of the summing point is C of S, and the feedback element is H of S, feedback element is H of S. So now here what type of the feedback is there? Negative feedback. Now applying the block diagram reduction rules. So applying the block diagram reduction rules, these two blocks are in cascade form, cascade connection. These two blocks are in cascade connection. So first eliminate the combining cascade blocks, eliminating the cascade blocks. So combining these two blocks, the equivalent diagram G1, G2, G1, G2, G1 of S into G2 of S, summing point and input is R of S, output is C of S, feedback element is H of S. Next eliminate the feedback loop. Next eliminate the feedback loop. Now here the negative feedback element is there. So according to the negative feedback element, and this is a block G of S, and this block is considered as H of S. So what is the negative feedback elimination? G of S by 1 plus G of S into H of S. So G1 of S, G2 of S by 1 plus G1 of S, G2 of S into H of S. Elimination of the feedback. Therefore, the transfer function or the system function output by input. The output is C of S and input to the system is R of S. C of S by R of S is equal G1 of S, G2 of S by 1 plus G1 of S, G2 of S into H of S. So this is the transfer function C of S by R of S value. So next determine C of S by D of S value. So to determine C of S by D of S value, this input is considered as a 0. To determine C of S by D of S value, this input is considered as 0. So this input is considered as 0 means neglecting this summing point. Now here the negative feedback is there. So this negative sign is considered here minus. So the equivalent block diagram is next to determine C of S by D of S. In this case, consider another input R of S is equal to 0, and the equivalent block diagram representation is removing R of S summing point and negative feedback element is there. That negative sign is considered into the feedback element. The equivalent block diagram G1 of S, and after that summing point is there, summing point, and input is D of S, G2 of S, and the feedback element. What is the feedback element? The actual feedback element is H of S. After removing R of S input summing point, in that case negative feedback is there, so that negative sign is considered here minus H of S. That negative sign is considered into the feedback element minus H of S. So removing that summing point, this block is going to this one. This block is going to this one. And this is C of S. This is coming to this block. Now here G1 of S and minus H of S are in cascade connection. So combining cascade blocks, eliminating cascade blocks, combining cascade blocks, cascade connection. These two blocks are in cascade connection. And what is the summing point? That summing point is written. Summing point is written before. therefore this is the summing point, and the input D of S, and this summing point is connected to the block G2 of S, G2 of S, and another end is summing point of the another end is connected to the cascade connection of G1 of S and minus H of S. And this is minus G1 of S into H of S. This is the block. So this is connected to another end of the summing point. This is positive feedback. And the output C of S. Now eliminating the feedback path. So G2 of S by elimination of the feedback path. G2 of S by, now where the positive feedback is there. So 1 minus positive feedback, 1 minus G2 of S into, what is the feedback element here? Minus G1 of S into H of S. Elimination of the feedback. R of S, and the output is C of S. Input is R of S and output is C of S. Therefore, the transfer function C of S by, sorry, not, this is not R of S, this is D of S. And the input is here, D of S. So output by input C of S by D of S is the transfer function is equal G2 of S by minus into minus plus 1 plus G1 of S into G2 of S into H of S. So this is the transfer function of C of S by D of S. But from the given data, calculate D of S by R of S. Given that, calculate D of S by R of S value. Determine D of S by R of S for the system. So to determine D of S by R of S value, now dividing C of S by R of S by C of S by D of S. So dividing this value by dividing this transfer function by this transfer function. Okay, so therefore C of S by R of S divided by C of S divided by D of S is equal. So what is C of S by R of S? C of S by R of S value is G1 of S, G2 of S by G1 of S, G2 of S by 1 plus G1 of S, G2 of S into H of S divided by, so what is the value of C of S by D of S value? C of S by D of S value already calculated, so that is G2 of S by G2 of S by 1 plus G1 of S, G2 of S into H of S. So numerator and denominator are RHS side. 1 plus G1 of S, 1 plus G1 of S, G2 of S, H of S, 1 plus G1 of S, G2 of S, H of S is cancelled on RHS side. And LHS side, numerator and denominator C of S is cancelled. We get, So 1 divided by 1 d of s is coming to the numerator. We get d of s by r of s is equal, and here also numerator and denominator g1 of s is cancelled, sorry, g2 of s is cancelled, g2 of s is cancelled. So therefore d of s by r of s is equal to g1 of s. So this is the value of d of s by r of s of the given block diagram.